The noise was so bad at points we had to shut our doors and windows and actually turn on a radio or a TV because shutting the doors and windows wasn't enough to drown the sound out. The station here started making some noise. It was on a sporadic basis. It was a nuisance. It didn't run a lot. I tried to find out what was going on. I didn't know where to go with this, so I contacted code enforcement from Penn Hills, and it wasn't a steady issue, so they had trouble finding out what was going on here. This spring, beginning of May 2017, it became a major problem. While I was talking to the emergency official, I had to walk up here about 100 feet just to be able to communicate on my cell phone. I couldn't hear him sit next to the station to talk to him. I got to run around so many times here. We'll see what happens.